She's about a 40-watt bulb on a good day, about to fizzle out. We love her.
She's asking how smart we thought our dog was.
Yeah, yeah.
Trey is just a big silly.
Yeah, a silly heart.
She is
One of my
beautiful.
favorite movies ever was Uncle Buck.
Yes.
Yeah, and in that movie,
She's just a silly
yeah, and he says, take this quarter and go downtown and have a.
rat. No,
Thank you.
hold on.
Exactly. Yeah. Ellie gets called silly heart a lot.
Alfie. She says my dad's in there.
Okay, look at this.
No, she's
Duke does this too. We won't drop the poison.
you know, she loves to cuddle, but she doesn't realize she's sick. So she wants to be
But
allowed.
we're not going to drop the toy. Do it.
Ellie and our other dog takes turns.
Oh, we're going to call him over to you. Come. Good boy. That was Anna wants you to.
Hi, Miles. Big.
Yeah, I've already been on site to figure out how to build the project plan and, you know, we get disaster prepared in our house. In case the trail blows out.
Oh, we've wrapped the tail so many times.
Not yet. No, I just went outside.